This is the MEGA Bloks Hot Wheels Super Stunt Test Facility. 382 pieces, we've got a stunt car, and over 30 stunts to try. We've got a ton of pieces, our instruction book, and we are ready to start. But first, we've got to open everything up and organize. We've got the pieces all laid out for the Super Stunt Test Facility, all 382 pieces. And just about time to start building. I completed the build on this Super Stunt Test Facility. We've got the vehicle, we got the two drivers, and then the facility itself. It can be repositioned in different ways so that the car can do different stunts. So I'm going to show you different aspects of the facility so that you can see what they can do. So here we have the car and the turbo tire launcher. The turbo tire launcher, what you do is you position that on top of the car, and then with one hand you spin it backwards, and that will launch the car forward. Works better when you're holding one hand here and one hand on the tire, and then you just spin it as hard as you can, and the tire will move the car underneath. Not sure. You know, it's an interesting concept. I would just push the car myself, but it does appear to move it pretty fast. I'm not sure if it's much faster than my hand, but it might be more accurate and straight. The ramps that are part of this test facility are repositionable. So you can see here, you've got a boom arm, and then you can pull it out and put it in the different holes there to make the ramp, different heights of the ramp and different ways that the ramp can be positioned. This can also break apart, so you could have the ramp go from one side to the other, and you can do various other jump sort of stunts with the ramp. One end of the test facility has a billboard. You could take your car and drive it through, hit the billboard, and that will, going fast enough, it could spin this to this other side, which has some detailed information of different stunts that the vehicle can do. Well, it's supposed to look like that. It's like a computer screen. This also swings this side. This can swing. It's on a rotating square, so you can swing that around. So on this side, if you needed to see this, you can swing that around. Down on this end of the facility, we have a couple of swing arms that are for caution, and they are also on a rotating square, so that. And you can drive your car through this and open that, but you also, if you hit it hard enough, fast enough, it'll knock all those oil cans down. So there's a little arm there, and that knocks this forward. So that's another one of the stunts that you can do. So if you're feeling like a true daredevil, you can get your car set so that it goes up over the ramp and up and through the fire, through the front of the test facility that you can kind of see there on the box. So you got to get that going fast, get enough air to lift it up and over and jump it. I know that I'm not accurate enough to get that on film, so just kind of give you an idea of what else you can do there. A lot of things are on hinges, so they can be moved around or switched around for repositioning for all sorts of different stunts. In all, this test facility is going to give your kids hours of fun, because they're going to try all the different stunts and come up with a whole bunch of new ones. I mean, that's what Hot Wheels is all about, is doing fun, cool, extreme stunts with your vehicles. And you can use all of the different Hot Wheels MEGA Bloks cars with this stunt test facility. So it's a lot of fun.